For making buffet reservation, click on to Banquet and select Reservation. Enter the function date. Under Guest Info, enter the mobile number and guest name. Select the function type, seating type, session and plan type. Select relevant details like food pickup, food service, morning tea and evening tea. Also edit the timings. Now select the service type. Enter the status, total hours, guaranteed number of guests, expected number of guests, advance amount and mode of payment. Under hall info, select the hall type. Select hall rent application, enter hall rent and select tax inclusive. Under plan and food details, enter the item name, item code and its quantity. Once you enter quantity, the amount will automatically fill up. Under other info, enter necessary details and click on to save option. Reservation saved successfully. You can print or view this receipt. For viewing reservation report, click on to report and select reservation report. Enter the from date and to date. Click on to show option. The details of the reservation on the particular date is shown. Making buffet reservation and viewing reservation report in banquet management has been done successfully. Thank you.